Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study about latch and unlatch in Fatek PLC using software WinProladder. Let's start. In previous lecture we have discussed about set and reset command, and now we will make that similar this program latch unlatch. Now first we have to start our PLC. In previous lecture also I told you how we can make a new project. Go to the file, to the new project. Here you can give the project name. I give the name. Here is latch and unlatch. TCH latch and TCH latch. So secondly you have to edit, and here you can give your PLC model, which series you have, FPS or FPE, and here you have to give your points. How much points you have. It small PLC 10 points, you have a little bigger 14, 20, 24. This 44 means this is the inputs and outputs. This is I have a 44 and I have a model MN. This is only in this 44 points is coming only one MN model, and let's then click it OK. Now your project is created, and then click on OK. Now your main window is open, and first of all we will start one on command bit. For example, here also he is showing x0 to 255 and y0 to 255. Also he a little memory he shows in the comment. I will take one internal memory M0 and then click enter, and next you will take one out coil. This is the output coil. Y0 we will take. No, sorry, this is Y0 is not defined in this PLC for output, because this the Y0 is pulse output. This is the DC PLC input. I will show you in later this PLC why not use the Y0, because of Y0 and Y1 is the pulse output. Here we will choose start from Y10. Y10 we will use for output. Okay, and next then how we can make this Y0. If we use in internal memory, no problem. This is we can only right click and make it on and off. This will be run. But how we can hold this Y10? Same as old per set reset command. This is also same, yani similar. This unlatch, latch and unlatch program, but little is different. Some people likes this same likes ladder, and some people make with set and reset. So secondly you make take one more one more contact. Here I will take one close contact, because of this close contact we have to make for latch and unlatch. M1 I will make one close contact, and secondly I will take one more contact here in second row, Y10, because of when Y10 will be on, after this current will be passing from main line. In PLC ladder, simply you can understand this line is neutral, for example minus voltage, and this black line is showing for plus voltage. This is simply, this is start from N0 and N2. This is are your lines, rows, and this is your 24-volt line. As per seen when we try and make them on the paper, this you can think about this the ladder language. Why telling any why called ladder language? This is look like a ladder. Here is minus voltage, here is a plus voltage, and when we giving the plus voltage from M0, and this is the M1, we used close contact. Yani if we using in hardware we will using we will use x0 and x1, or any you can make name take x2, x3, x4, x5. This you any can name takes. And after this power goes to this coil. This is called coil. When you click it on this one, this also showing the coil. Downside you can see. I will click it here. Sorry. When I click it here, little hold for just 2 seconds or 3 seconds. It will be shows coil. Yani. See, downside is coming coil. And next you have to be, this have to be contact, make it here. How can make contact here? Put it here, this cursor, and after you can make it this one line, and here you can make this link will be generated at the upside line. And simply this is now your latch and unlatch program is completed. And after you, if you like to giving this name also, you can give the comment names. Double click on it, and here goes, and here you can give the comment start. For example, you are making for a one motor or something, you can make this one start. When you giving this comment, and this comment will be shown on your bit also. And this also you can give the comment, here go here, and here you can stop. Stop. Simply here you can give the comment name motor, motor, and click it OK. And now simply you have to be understand M0 when push or your, this is outside push button when give the signal to your Y10, and Y10 when turns on after your Y10 takes the signal from the direct here, and this current comes from here and goes to your Y10. After your Y10 will be continuously hold. This you can make for on-off control, also can call this program on-off control. Now I download this program to the PLC, go to the auto check, and after make it OK, make it yes. Now your program is downloading to the PLC. Write prohibited while PLC is running. Do you wish to stop the PLC? And make it yes. And first have to be stop the PLC, after can be download the program to the PLC. Now my program is successfully downloaded to the PLC, and you can go to the run PLC. When run PLC, this main line will be highlighted as color red. Now you simply can think about, this is your PLC is running condition and your software is completely in running mode. As you click this button on, after your Y10 will be energized, and when you click it off, but this will be not off because of this currents going from here to this one. As we give the signal to M1, make it on, after our Y10 will be stopped because of we give signal from M1 stop condition. So this is simply, this is on, and after like to make it off, you can click it from clicking this one button M1, and after your Y10 will be on. Same as this in set recent command program, but little different. Yani. Some people likes this, some people no like. So I show you how to make this also. We will make in this set when we're using this one here. For example, M5 I'm using for set, and this is here we will make Y2, sorry, Y12, and here I will make one more contact M10, and here I will make it a reset Y12, and simply this you can see this one program and download to the PLC. This is leave it. This error will be coming out. No, no, ignore them. No problem. This is the internal functions coming. See, now when you give the signal on, your Y12 will be now in goes to set condition. Once you make it off, this will be not off because of when you giving the signal of M10, after this Y12 will be reset. Make it on, and after your Y12 will be reset on. Simple. This one be a simple example. This can be a push button, right? Here you can fix that hardware from the PLC X0, X2, X3, X4 or X5, and here also second push button you can use from the panel X3, X4, X5, which as per your drawing. When you're making the drawing, you have to be defined this inputs and outputs. Y0 where you like to put, Y10 where you like to put, or X0 from where you like to start. Inshallah will be next lectures. I will make this also hardware drawing for you to you better understand about how we can use the PLC inputs and outputs step by step, and inshallah will be all commands and everything's I will discuss with you in this lecture. Only this is our lecture is for how to make it latch and unlatch the program, and will be next inshallah soon. I will tell you how we can use the more commands in the Fatek PLC. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.